Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jude, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make use of Clipchamp. Everything you need to know. I'll just try my best to touch every aspect of it. It's going to help you enhance your video. So even if you're a pro or a beginner, stick with me to the end of this video because you're going to learn a whole lot. But if you feel that you need some specific aspect of this video, just go to my description and click on it, and YouTube is going to take you there. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So I will appreciate so much if you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime I post a video like this. This will help me to grow. Thank you. You are using Windows 11, Clipchamp is already there. And of course, you can still go through your usual browsing. Just type in Clipchamp there, and there's it. This is the main interface. And scroll down a little, this is where you can find your previous work that you've done. Save there, although the file is also in your system. So this place is to create with AI. I don't use it because there is nothing like being in control of what you're doing. So but I will still touch it by the end of this video, but let's just create with normal video. So you just click there, create a new video. So once it's open, this is your interface. This place is where you find your videos. On the left hand side is your toolbar, where you find where you can add your transitions, where you can record your screen, add any shape you want, even the music. We are going to be making use of that in this video. Amazing feature again on Clipchamp is your record and create. This is where you can record your screen, record your audio, change your text to speech, and tons of it. Just go to your left hand side of the panel and click on record and create. So the first one there is screen and camera. Let me just click it open. Hi guys, so that is me there. You can just choose the camera you're using, choose the audio, and of course this feature is just like an AI feature that guides your voice and of course suggests where you're actually lagging or something like that. So you might just want to turn it on. For me, I would have preferred an complete AI that will just arrange your voice, amplify it instead of suggesting, because you might actually suggest, you find out that even the person recording might not be able to change it. You understand me? So you might just want to tune it on when recording. So the next one there is camera. So the camera there, you can see my face. So the third one is the screen. That is, if you want to record the screen, you just click on it and choose the actual screen on your system that you want to record. Then you can. Third one there is your audio. Talking now, you can feel the audio expanding. So that is just it. And the last one is the text to speech. We are going to make use of that text to speech because of this video. So quickly, let us start the editing process. You can see, just click on your media, import media. So just browse through the system and bring in your files. That's all. These are the clips, saved in my systems. So you can just drag and drop on your timeline. This is your timeline. Okay, from there you can click all and select at the same time. Just click on that and click on that button there. Once you select all, you can just drop it there on your timeline. So that's it. From here you can zoom in and zoom out. This is not the main zoom in of the video, just enable you edit your work. How to change dimensions. So from your window, you just click on top of it. You can see the size, select the actual dimension you want. You can see the usual one for YouTube, she's 16.9. If you want to create for Facebook, any other apps out there, you can select your dimension, that 1:1 or 9:16. So once you select that, let's just try TikTok for instance. So from here you can see that the video is not really covering all the screen. So all you just need to do is to click on it and drag. You understand me? It's not, since you are doing like portraits, some of the aspects of the video might not appear. So all you just need to do is to click drag and position that particular place that you want people to watch your clips. So that is how it works, because you can see it here. Let's just use this woman. So that's it. So you can also click here and go back if you want to go back to want to return it to the normal dimension. Then this button you can use from your keyboard. You can just press Ctrl Z. That is to undo what you have done. That's okay. So how to split video. So just select any video on the timeline. This is where this scissors icon is what you use to cut or split. So let's just drag our video cursor, drop anywhere that we want to split, then click on the scissors, and that's all. That is your clip. You can just take it anywhere. How to remove silence and pause from a video. So quickly you select your assets. I've just dropped my asset on the timeline, so you select it. I've done that already. So you click on this icon very close to the scissors. You can see my arrow there. Click on it. The dialog box will come out. From the dialog box, you select a drop down and click on the language you want it to transcribe to. You can see terms of language there. I will just go with English United States. Then you can click on filter profanity, those words that is not acceptable in YouTube or any social media. Then you just click on transcribe. That's all. That's all. It will take a little while depending on the volume of your data. Then for this, my asset I've already done it. Once you're practicalizing with yours, it might just roll to the end. Then once the dialog box comes out, the actual pauses on your video will be marked on your timeline. Usually it's just an AI feature and it only picks pause above 3 seconds. It doesn't pick pauses below 3 seconds. So it's left for you to either click on ignore or you remove, or you even see the number of the pauses that it's going to detect. So that is just how to remove pauses and silence from your video. When you play it, your video is going to look clean. How to create AI text to speech, just like the usual conversion of your text to speech, especially when you're using faceless channel. This is what I use and it's completely free. So let's just see how you can do that. So quickly you go to the left hand side of your toolbar and click on record and create. You can see the arrow there. So many things that you can do there, and scroll down and click on text to speech. So from there a dialog box will come out on your right hand side of the property bar. I see the circle there. So what is there is text to speech. Just click on it and another dialog box is going to come out. I call that editing bar. So from there you'll be able to select your preferred language. You can see tons of languages there, Arabian, anyone you can work with. So I just select United States and select the voice you prefer. This what I'm working on now is just like a story, so I would prefer a man's voice. So just go with it. Andrew is okay. Create a story. That is okay. Okay. So scroll down, get the advanced features. The emotion neutral is okay. Select any one that you prefer. The voice pitch, I think I will prefer medium. Leave this one where it is. Then just I've prepared my text already. So I will just drop it there. This is where you're gonna drop your text. So just drop it there and that's it. That's it. You can decide to preview before you now click on save. Once you click on save, it takes a while, just like depending on the text that you drop in there, just like within 50 seconds or so, everything will be dropped there on your timeline, and that's it.
Last child in a family of 12. Life greeted him with hunger, tired faces, and empty bowls. Their small
It comes out well, So that is how you convert your text to speech. How to zoom a video. Actually use this feature a whole lot in this video. So first of all, I would like to zoom the woman by sitting down. Just put a zoom effect on her. So what I will do is to put my video cursor there. Just put my video cursor there, and from there I'll click on that scissors. Click on that scissors to split. So that's it. The video, the woman herself is just separate now. So what I will do now is to click and drag to fit into the string. So that's it. That's it. Just play a little. Let's play it and see how it comes. Okay.
12. Life greeted him with hunger, tired faces, and empty.
You see the zoom effect and it's back again. So that's just how to zoom. This feature is very nice. How to add transitions. You can see there, I'll just can see the movement of my cursor there. You can just decide to add transition in any of them. So if you want to add transition, just go to your left hand side of the toolbar, click on transition. It's going to open up the transition bar. You can see tons of transitions there. It's even written there. Once you find anyone, just drag and drop to your timeline. So let's go. Just look for anyone. Just look for anyone that is good. Everything here is just free. I think this is cool too. It's cool. So I'll just take this and drop there. You're dropping in between the videos. In fact, in between the videos. I think this is cool. Let's play and see how it comes out.
12. Life greeted him with hunger, tired faces, and empty bowls.
That's it. You need a specific time where you want the transition to show. All you just need to do is make sure you are also clicking on the transition. Just go to your right hand side of the property bar, click on the same transition, dialog box will open. So this is where you are going to edit the time frame, the duration, how you want it to show. Okay, let me just put it at 24. That's it. How to add an overlay image to a video. All you just need to do is to go straight to the media, click on the media so that it will allow you bring in your assets. If it's a GIF or your image, anyone you want to add. Okay, now this is mine. I'll just bring it in from my system. Is there already? So I can just drag this and drop on my video clips. Just look at it. Anything you want to show on the video, you just put it on top. So this is me here, just this is my GIF. I will just drag it because it's not covering the skin and take it to any side I want to. Okay, this place is okay. Just put it here and that's it. Let's play and see how it comes out. If you want to change the size, you want it to cover all your videos so that once you're playing the video, it's going to be appearing in all the clips. You can just go to your right hand side of the property bar and click on your speed, and the dialog box will come out. So from there, take it backward, the video itself is going to increase in length. It will affect the clips itself to introduce a slow motion. You take it forward, the video itself is going to shrink. It will affect the effect of the video itself. In this video, I actually did a separate video for that, how to use speed. So how to add like and subscribe to a video. So let's go to your left hand side of the toolbar, click on content library. So dialog box will open. You can see tons of it. Search for subscriber stickers. This is why I love Clipchamp. It has user-friendly interface, which is not intimidating. So search for, I think this is okay. This is nice. I just drag and drop on the timeline. Let's play and see. This comes out. So how to add subtitles to a video. This feature is quite important because with these subtitles, you can actually use it as your timestamp in your YouTube videos. Of course, you know what timestamp is, just like creating chapters of your video. If you check the description of this video, because it's quite long, definitely there is timestamp there where you can click on any of it. The YouTube is going to take you to that particular clips that you want to watch. You can see the way I specified it, how to do this, how to add transition, how to text to speech. So these subtitles, from there you can download from here, from this Clipchamp to your system and edit it. So right hand side of the tool of the property bar, click on captions. You can see the red circle. So once you click on captions, you go down and click on that. You see generate auto captions with AI. So click on the try now. Dialog box will come out. From dialog box, you just select the language. You can see tons of language there, a whole lot of language there. I think I go with this language, United States English. Then this is very important also. You know there are some words that is not acceptable on YouTube, so just tune that. You can just click on the transcribe media. So that's it. Just wait for it. Usually it depends on your network and the volume of your data that you want to transcribe. Video is quite long, it will take more time to transcribe to and give you the auto captions. So that's it. This is the file itself. If you click any of this, you find out that it's still exactly what you have in the passage. Even if you play it, it's still the same thing. From there you can just click, and if you is not pronouncing it properly, you can just click on it, but don't edit your timestamp here. Then from here you can, if you don't want it to appear on your video, you can just toggle it from here, toggle it on. Then from here you download the SRT file. From this, how to add fade in and fade out to a video. So you just select the actual clips that you want to add fade in and fade out. It's usually like this feature in a movie where, you know, as if you're removing curtain and you now start seeing the video kind of. So you can put it in the beginning of your video or the end. So first of all, you go to the right hand side of your property bar, click on fade. From the dialog box, you can now twitch it a little to your test. Now you've selected your clip, go to the first one, which is the fading, just drag it a little. This is where the seconds is. Many seconds you want it to fade in. So let's play and see.
Jackson came into the world as the last child.
Very good. I think I love this. Can decide to increase it a little.
Jackson came into the world as the
Play it and see. This is good. This is good. Let's add it to the last one.
his parents' struggle. Childhood never came to him.
This is good too. Can decide to also increase it a little. Increase it a little.
Jackson watched his parents struggle. Childhood never came to him.
How to enhance video quality. So I'm going to take these three at the same time because they're almost doing the same work. That is the filters, the effects, and the adjust colors. So first of all, go to your right hand side of the property bar. Let's check the filters. So you can see different filters we have there. Before you start, select the assets from the timeline. Then you click on any of course, you can even see some is for the premium services. Why tons of them, they are also free, so you just select from the one that since you are doing free class, everything here is free. You can see the effects there. This is where you can select intensity, whether you increase it or you decrease it. You can also select all your assets at the same time. Like control, press the control key down on your keyboard, then select any of the assets that you want to change, then you apply the effects there, or select it one by one. So that is that. Let any of them. Let's look at the other one, which is the effects. We can click on the for these effects. You can actually use it to move your object. Like if you want to move it sideways or you move it upside down or anyhow you want to do it. First of all, you select the assets on your timeline. Also check this. You can see how the effect is. So you just go around it, and you can see the application on the now. So from these effects, you can also blur your images. Let's quickly look at the last one, which is the adjust color. So simply just use this one to adjust the intensity of your video, your picture that you're using. It's quite simple. So you still go to your right hand side and click on the adjust color, which is the third one that we are doing. So you can see it. You can see the effect on our video. And try to set this one, the contrast. It's as simple as that. You know what you want, you know what you want to practicalize, and you know what you want to get. So you just use any of these features to adjust it to your test. How to add slow motion and fast effect to your video. So this feature is still good, especially when you're creating kind of a movie kind of video. So there are some places you want to slow your video or you want to make it fast. I also used it in this video too. So let me just bring in my assets quickly. This is me trying to demonstrate. Matter of fact, I'm dancing here, so just watch and see. You can see the way I'm raising my hand. This is just the normal video. Okay, so let me, if you want to add it, just go to your right hand side. Down there you can see the arrow pointing. Just click on speed. So a dialog box will come out. So from here you will now set your speed. If you take it backward, the video is going to be a bit long to expand. I will automatically create slow motion to your video. If you take it forward, the video is going to shrink a little, and that will automatically create that fastness to your video. Some persons don't understand this. If you want to touch the movement of your video or your work, this is just how you do it. For me, if you don't want to do that and you want to shrink your video a little, it's better you cut it. Take it backward a little. You can see the expansion of the video. You can see it. So let's play it and see how it's gonna work out. Slow motion. I'm using my hand just a bit slow, very slow, you know. I see the way my hand is fast. That is just how to add music or sound effects to a video. So quickly, you go to your left hand side of the toolbar, click on audio, you see music and the sound effect there. We are putting music, so just click on music. Lots of it there. You can just type cool music, just type something on the search bar, cool music. I know it's not always accurate. Let's check this first one. okay. So just put it on our timeline. Every audio or music should be under your video. So I will just drag it so that it will play around throughout my video. That is okay.
Childhood never came to him. There were no toys or games, only chores.
So this music is quite high. So I will just click on it, then reduce the volume.
Hunger and long quiet evenings staring at games.
It's okay, I love it like this. So that is just how to add music or sound effects to your video. You can also look for anyone that is copyright free, because if you put any one with copyright, definitely YouTube is going to detect it. So just bring it through your media. You can add it to your work through this process too. How to add objects and arrow to a video. Of course, you can see the way I make use of arrow and other objects in this video, like pointing to a particular direction or to a particular click. So let me just show you how to do that here. So first of all, you go to your left hand side of the toolbar, then you click on content library. So your dialog box is going to open up. See the first one there, which is shapes. So from there, you just click it open. You can see tons of shapes that you can use. I'll just go straight to this. Then this one is scroll down a little, just scroll down a little, and I'll select this hand drawn. Hand drawn is okay. I'll just clear it open, and let me just bring in an arrow. So I'll just place it on my assets. Anything you want to be before the video, you just place it on top of the asset. So from there, I'll just place this arrow in a way that, this guy we'll be looking at his younger brother, something like that. So this is the arrow here. I will just switch it a little and format it to my text. I'm just going to place it there. So I'll reduce it a little. Yeah, I think I've gotten the position. Then add color to it. I think red is okay because of the background of the video. Then that's it. How to remove background noise from a video. This is my asset. Let's just play it and see how it goes.
Hi guys, my name is Jude from Maine.
So you can see that, yeah, there are a lot of background noise on this video. So first of all, you select that asset on your timeline, then go to the right hand side of the property bar, just like what you have seen. So you click on volume. From the dialog box, you see detach audio. So from the detach audio, you just click on it, because first of all detach the audio before you can remove the sound. So within a few minutes, like 1 to 2 seconds, depending on the volume of your assets, the audio itself is going to detach from the video. So you can see it there. So what you just need to do next now is to select that you just detached, the new audio that you just detached, on your right hand side. So you just go and toggle that noise suppression on. Just toggle it up. It will take a little while, like 2 seconds or so. That's it. Let's play and see.
I've been doing faceless channel, but this time around, I'll be showing my face.
How to add mirror image to a video. So you can see my asset. Let's just use this TikTok dimension to practicalize this. So from here, just drag and reduce the video. Let it be a page of it. Then from your timeline, you just select on your asset, right click and click on duplicate. So once you click on duplicate, you drag it a little up and place it on the first asset. Then you can delete the space. Can you see it now? You now have two equal assets. So from there, this image now you are seeing on the screen is now double. So all you just need to do is to separate them by taking one up or down. This same process can also be applied when you're on another YouTube dimension. For example, the 16:9. Still want to split it into two or half. Anyhow you want to do it, it's still applicable. Just as easy as that. Duplicate it, drag it to it, delete the space, and you have two equal images. Then from here, let me place it properly. So let me align it to the screen. Then from here, I can just turn it. I'll just flip it so that the both heads should just be at the same pace. So I'll just at the top there, click on that dot, then click on flip. Just flip it, because
Of course, part of tech, mainly teaching. So anywhere you see
how to add text overlay to a video. So I've actually used it many times in the course of this video. So first of all, go to your left hand side of YouTube, you click on text, you see tons of templates. So just scroll down, select any preferred one you like. It's okay. Just drag it and drop on my timeline on top of my assets, so I can even increase it so that it will cover all my videos. So let me just type in kindly subscribe to help our channel. I'll just format it a little. That's it. Just add it to any side of my video.
In my new YouTube channel called Viral Minds. Y'all be doing practical.
How to add frame to a video. So yet again, you go to the content library, click on visuals very close to audio. So you go down, you will see frames and borders. So you click on that frames and borders. Here you will see tons of frames, anyone you just feel like adding to video. I think I will just check out this. Okay, let me take this. It's nice. I'll just add it to my timeline. This is okay. Since I wanted to appear on my video, I'll just put it on top of my video, on top of my assets. So that's it. I'll move it to anywhere I want it to be. I think it's also nice here. Or I can decide to turn it to any side I want. It makes your video to be unique. Just add this one again. This will cover the entire frame of the video. Yeah, I'll just drag and drop there. You see, it looks nice. So that is how to add frames to your videos. How to create shorts. Of course, you know shorts are now booming on YouTube, so you can actually create shorts from here. There are templates created by Clipchamp that you can use, especially if you are into adverts or something like that. So you just import the template, add your objects on it from your system. If you have pictures of what you want to add, just add them in, and boom, you have your shorts. Let's see it now. So first of all, go to your left hand side of the toolbar, click on templates. You can see tons of templates there, so just try to click on what you want. You don't need premium, you need free, because then the aspect ratio, if are you creating for YouTube or TikTok. Okay, let's say for TikTok. So I see tons of shorts there. For the new one that you like to work on, I think this is okay. To line text, it's coming with a video bar there. So just get straight to my media. I have some already downloaded there. Just use it to replace the one that is just like that. I just want to create something like a horror stuff. So let's click on the text and add some text. I will just type something like kind of just type run. So like I always said, you know what you want. So you just switch it to your text. Just add the music. From there, just click on music. Let's type something like horror music. So how to add watermark to a video? Quickly go to your left hand side of the toolbar, click on text, select any template you want. This is okay. I'll just drag it and drop on my timeline. Then from here I can write anything I want. Let me just write my channel name, Viral Mind. Okay, so from here I will now set the color, just the only way, just like reducing the texture of the image. Usually watermarks should be white in color so that you'll be able to set it from there. You can see where the arrow is pointing, so from there you just be clicking it, be reducing the intensity of that white, right, to match what you are looking for. So just increase it a little, and that's it. So just to drag and drop to anywhere in the video that you want to place it. I think it's nice here. It's nice. So that's just how to create the time. How to create GIF. Normally GIF is usually 15 seconds. 15 seconds, you can create a GIF of yourself or any catching moment in a video. You can just bring it to Clipchamp. From there, you set it through the video timer and make sure that it's within 15 seconds. And boom, you export as GIF. Let me just show you now. So from here, this is my video. All you just need to do here is to set the video timer. You can see, I'll just check where it's 15 seconds. Then that is there. I'll cut it from there. You can just delete the rest. So this is just my GIF. You can see there, once you click export, it takes you to that GIF export button will pop up. So you just select GIF and click on export. You might want to change the file name and how to group and ungroup. This feature is very nice, especially when you're doing video editing. As a matter of fact, this is a must anytime you're editing your video. If you don't do that, I'm telling you, you're going to spend a whole month editing just one video, because all your imported media, both your objects, your arrows and all that, all of them is going to be scattering around your timeline. So it's good. Anything you do, once you be able to get what you want, just group immediately. Once you get what you want, group. That is the only way you can have a very long video and it will appear so nice. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. I know you are aware of, just minimize everything, put your cursor around it, copy everything, then just click on Ctrl G. That is nice. But what if a situation whereby you find out that all your imported media is kind of scattered? You must have done a whole lot of job. Both your subscribe to our channel, your arrow, everything is just in different places. You understand me? Just like what we have here. So you can see everything I've used in this video. The first one here is text that I imported. You can see it there. So this one is the swash sound that I'm using. So these are some of the clips that I just pleated. You can see this one also is the arrow. You can see how they appear in pieces. So it's not really putting all this together is the video you see. And you see how all of them are working hand in hand, everybody playing its own role. But the danger there is if you leave everything like this on your timeline. So this is how you do it. So you just click on the first one, press Ctrl key on your keyboard, then be clicking on all of them. And you see it, click on this and this and this and this. So that is how you just group all of them. And if you want to, so once you have selected all of them, just click on your right click, then click on group. That's all. Then from there, if you still want to ungroup, just right click on it, then click on ungroup. So please, if you find this video useful, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime we post a video like this. This is going to encourage us a whole lot, and we appreciate you. So that's it. This is the end of the video. I hope you must have learned one or two things that will enhance your video editing skills. So kindly help us to grow. And of course, if you have any observation, comments, or anything, just put it right there in the comment section. If you have any question also, just put it there and I'm going to try to respond. Thank you and see you on my next video.